Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5
best gaming PC build under $600.
Starting at number 5.
Zalman T7. The Zalman T7 PC case is a brilliant example of quality for less. It comes to shelves offering reasonable out-of-the-box airflow, a clean and user-friendly design, and a bunch of build-friendly features as well. It's a pretty rock-solid case that should last you for the foreseeable future too, with two 120mm case fans pre-installed. It may not be one of our best PC cases, but it certainly offers everything you need for this build at an affordable price tag.
Coming at number 4.
TEAMGROUP TForce. As with most builds at this end of the price category, compromises have to be made to ensure the performance power is up to scratch. With our $500 custom build, the storage capacity has taken a slight hit. We had to opt for the TEAMGROUP TForce Vulkan Z240GB SSD that offers rapid load/boot times. We would have liked to bring a larger capacity into this build, however, we have had to make compromises to fit the GPU in. You will need to upgrade your capacity at some stage soon.
At number 3.
Asus TUF Gaming. We can just about squeeze in a dedicated GPU for under $500, with the GTX 1650. The 1650 is considered an entry-level graphics card, but it will net you some decent results when playing in 1080p. While you should limit your expectations when playing AAA games, this card thrives when playing esports titles. Digital max resolution, 7680x 4320. The Asus TUF Gaming GeForce GTX 1650 is built with the breakthrough graphics performance of the award-winning NVIDIA Turing architecture to supercharge your favorite games. Ultra-fast GDDR6 with over 50% more memory bandwidth for high-speed gaming.
Number 2 of my list.
MSI Pro H610 MG. For a custom build at this price range, the MSI Pro H610 MG motherboard is pretty much perfect. It might not be a premium motherboard, but it still offers a bunch of features and is ready for upgrades when the time comes. Furthermore, you don't yet have the funds to get the components to justify something more expensive at this price range anyway. Motherboards also don't really affect gaming performance at all, so it fits into this build nicely.
And number 1.
Alarco Gaming PC. So, you got this far and you now thinking, all this PC building malarkey seems like a big ask, would it not be easier to buy a pre-built gaming PC? And the simple answer is yes, probably. The issue with a pre-built, as many will already know, is you pay a premium for the luxury of not having to assemble the parts yourself. So, ideally, you want to build an affordable gaming PC yourself and save money in the process. However, some people are comfortable even trying to build their own gaming PC, and for those folks, here are our best pre-built options for under $500.
Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.